almost 3 hours and these people are going to die. So we are more concerned about it, but we are not more concerned about those people who can even die at your own doorstep. Yesterday, Masuku, we were tossed from one office to another, where we were told you have been given the opportunity to go to take these people to the hospital. At one point, we were told there is no vehicle. We provided our own vehicles. We were told the officer to do. So I saw you. Thank you. Yes. They were granted. I'm not referring this to you because I saw you for a very short time, then you left. But the other guys, we were together with the lawyers and they were meant to go to Garland House for that treatment. As a result of that, when we provided the vehicles, we were told that the officer is not yet authorized. While this assistant inspector was there. So I'm saying, what if our people die there in the cell? Because there are also internal injuries. We're expecting that by now the procession would have started. Yeah. I'm not justified. I'm simply saying, if we can look at this issue from both angles, we'll be saying these people wouldn't be singing outside here if the court had already started. Because the person who's delaying the